Welcome back. If you've been watching my videos, you've probably heard a bird in the background, and here the bird is. A cute little bird there. Let's get back to the flowers, and we're going to talk about this one. This is a canna. Um, this is actually one of the newer flowers in my garden, and as you see, it has some really nice pink flowers there and two stalks. So here's the other stalk. And I will be keeping track of these to let you know how they do. These are actually annuals. I'm not sure if they'll end up coming back next year or not. But if you've been watching my videos, you know about the Asiatic lilies, and I've cut those back. And this is what they look like now. Here's just a close-up of the vegetation. They've already bloomed, and they were really nice and orange. I'll see if I can link a video to the lilies, what they look like when they were in bloom. But their season of blooming has already ended, and I still have the cannas, so we'll check out the cannas and see how they do. Thank you for joining. Please like and subscribe and come back. Bye now. Have a great day.